funnel cloud has been in the sky above County Galway, as thunderstorm warnings remain in place in parts of the north and west. The funnel cloud was seen near Athenry and was visible from the M6 motorway. Footage captured what appears to be a tornado forming in the sky before causing havoc in places in Galway after it touched down. The video shows the scary formation twisting in the sky before causing devastation with wicked winds. It can be seen throwing items across a busy road as drivers navigate the treacherous conditions.
It is a tornado. Fuck me. It is a tornado. Fucking hell.
An aftermath shot also reveals the power possessed by the natural phenomenon as it uprooted trees. It is understood that the incident took place near Athenry as well as Oranmore. Galway was under a status orange thunderstorm warning at the time. Video footage shows the shocking moment the tornado twists through the sky radar footage showing the possible event. Trees were uprooted as a result of the powerful event. The rapidly rotating column of air has been confirmed as a tornado by one of Ireland's weather experts. Alan O'Reilly of Carlow Weather posted the footage and said, "Few more clips have now confirmed to be a tornado in Galway today, including second one that shows where it hit the ground."
It's not going to see anything this time. It is moving.
Yeah. Not so sure. Sounds twisting the twister.
It is twisting.
Ireland has been gripped by a heat wave bringing sweltering conditions, with the mercury tipping at almost 32 degrees yesterday. And the brutal heat has brought with it some extreme and powerful thunderstorms, with the west and northwest of the country the worst hit over the past 24 hours.
Oh, Jesus! Sorry.
3 counties were put on status orange alert by Met Arian due to clusters of thunderstorms crossing the country. Galway, Mayo, and Roscommon are under the warning until 9 p.m. tonight, with a threat of localized flooding, hail damage, and difficult traveling conditions.
Are we right in the middle of it?
Nope, but we're on our way to it.
Holy shit!
The public were also warned of potential damage to utilities, including power, water, gas, telecommunications, along with the risk of very gusty winds and lightning damage. Met Arian previously placed 22 counties under a status yellow thunderstorm alert today, warning that the probability signal for lightning strikes is greater than yesterday. This means there's more confidence in significant thunderstorm activity taking place.